In this video, we are going to solve example. Average marks of three classes are respectively 30, 40 and 50 and their absolute measure is 10. Find their relative measure. Relative measure is also known as dispersion coefficient. So, dispersion coefficient is equal to absolute measure divided by relative average. Absolute measure of three classes are 10, that is equal. Therefore, relative measure will be 10 by 30, which is 0.33, 10 by 40, which is 0.25, 10 by 50, which is 0.20. Now, it is clear that dispersion coefficient, it means relative measure of first classes, is greater than other two classes. So we can say that for comparing two or more series, relative measure is more suitable.